I want to teach y'all the trick. You know, how I got $600 on YouTube in 90 days. And it started back in October, right? So in October, I decided, all right, I'm going to start uploading a video every single day. You know, at the end of the month, I was like, all right, I'm going to just start uploading a video every day. Fuck it. So November, I was uploading every day, upload every day. And the thing about YouTube is like, you get paid for last month's work. So all of February, whatever I earned in February for this month, I'm going to get that in March. You see what I'm saying? That's how YouTube works. So you get paid for all last month. So for November, I was grinding, you know what I'm saying? Uploading video every day. This was just me, you know, by me doing it in October, it increased by $10. Now, by me doing it, you know, again in November, it was like the snowball effect, right? So let's go to December. $335 in December. Just from uploading a video every single motherfucking day. So anybody that's thinking about starting on YouTube, you know, upload a video every day. And let me show you what happened when I stopped. You know what I'm saying? Because January, I didn't upload. I uploaded probably half that month. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, I had slowed down, you know. And you see how I cut it in half. Now, February, you see. Now, I realized that, you know, I'm like, damn, I had just tricked the system. And I let that opportunity kind of pass me. And I'm like, I'm not about to do that. So I'm back uploading a video every day. I don't care what it is. This is Yon World. I can upload anything. My channel is not set to a certain niche, a subject, a topic. It's Yon World. I can talk about music. I can talk about some conscious shit. I can talk about different ways to make money. I can talk about cryptocurrency. You know, it's not just centralized around one subject. You know, I got a decentralized channel. I can talk about whatever. I can promote shit. You know, you never know where Yon World might be, you know what I'm saying, in 2 years. So it's your boy Yon World. Upload a video every day. That's the Adsense trick. The #1 Adsense trick on YouTube. Upload a video every day. I don't care what your content is. Upload every single day. Peace.